What's up YouTube, we are back with another video. What I eat in a day on a cut at 2,250 calories. I've been cutting for 6 months now. I've got 4 weeks left. I was 84 kilograms. I'm now 71 kilograms. So let's go get straight to it. 6 o'clock in the morning and we've got a meal 2 hours before we're going to the gym. So we've got whey protein, shredders, milk, with some pure and raw honey. Yeah, that was the camera falling. Now we're gonna hit some creatine and the pre-workout. We got the ABE. And that was an epic fail. Let's try that again. 1 scoop of pre-workout and then 1 scoop of creatine filled with water. And we're off to the gym. We've got back and biceps today. So first we're gonna weigh ourselves. So we just finished the gym and we've got straight after the gym, we've got Grenade protein shake, 25 grams of protein, straight protein, go straight to the body, go straight to the muscles, repair the muscles. Let's open it and let's drink it. And today we've come to Morrison's to get some breakfast. Got 5 eggs, no 7 eggs with the omelette. So after that meal, we are now going to do cardio. We've got a spin bike, we're going to do 2 hours on this. We're going to burn about 1,000 calories and it's going to be easy because we've got this PlayStation 5. So we're going to be playing Call of Duty while we're spinning on the bike, and it's the easiest form of cardio. I cycle every day because it's so easy. So let's get to it. And today we are going to be eating out. So we've got steak, mash and veg. So there's the calories on the screen. We've finished our eating for today. We went over 60 calories, but that's okay because we had to go and walk to the restaurant, so we would have burned that off. Protein today is 184, carbs is 200, fiber is 18, and fats is 94. I hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe for more Don's Fitness. Check out my transformation video that I put out 4 days ago. It's a 6 months transformation for 10 minutes long. How I lost the weight.